Welcome to this in-depth review of ActivTrades, where we're giving you a real experience of using this broker. Whether you're just starting or looking to switch platforms, ActivTrades offers a wide variety of services, but let's dig into the details to see if it's right for you. First off, ActivTrades is a broker known for offering a robust trading platform with access to Forex, CFDs, indices, commodities, and more. One of its standout features is its customer support, which is accessible 24/5 and available in multiple languages. However, the broker's pricing, especially the commission structure, is not the cheapest on the market. ActivTrades does offer some commission-free trades, but you'll have to pay a spread, which can be higher compared to other brokers. The user interface of the trading platform is straightforward, but it might not be ideal for complete beginners who require more guidance. For those familiar with MT4 or MT5, you'll find comfort in their integration with these platforms, allowing for smoother transitions. One of the biggest advantages of ActivTrades is its negative balance protection, which means you can't lose more than your initial deposit, a crucial feature for those new to high-risk markets like Forex or CFDs. However, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to ActivTrades. Another point worth mentioning is the extensive educational materials they offer. From webinars to video tutorials, traders can equip themselves with the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions. Yet, the platform's higher spreads may not appeal to those focused on keeping trading costs down. In terms of security, ActivTrades is well regulated by major financial bodies, ensuring a trustworthy trading environment. While it caters well to Forex and CFD traders, those who want to diversify further into stocks or ETFs might find the selection lacking compared to other brokers. But if you're primarily looking for a stable, reliable platform with good support, it's worth considering. Before you leave, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to stay updated on all things trading.